we have a serious rider here. Maybe he can tell us why he visited us.
Hello, my name is Brian, and I'm very happy to finally have my bike. It was a very long yet short wait. I definitely recommend you guys get your own. The TEKKEN 250. Yeah, these guys are legit. Very powerful.
Thank you so much, Brian. So how did you get yours?
I saw a post on Instagram about you guys. You were selling a bike to another customer, and it happened that I was looking for a bike at the time. So yeah.
Okay, and what do you think about the price of this TEKKEN 250cc oil-cooled 2023 model?
Considering the specs of the bike, I definitely recommend it. The price is very affordable, very friendly, definitely worth the price.
Okay, now Brian, maybe you can tell us about your experience when it comes to riding. Are you a beginner or you are a pro?
I'm not a pro, sadly I'm a beginner. I feel like this is actually a very good bike for beginners. It's my first year. I began early this year, very early this year. And this is my first bike. I've been using my friend's bike this whole time.
Yeah, it's one of the best bikes for the beginners because it has the crash guard, it has the engine guard, it is oil cooled, has the inverted shocks. So having the oil cooled, it means that you can go for a very long distance. So now we sell the TEKKEN, we also sell VOG and also Taro. How comes that you chose TEKKEN?
Well, I wanted a bike that is can go traveling on road and off road. That's how we rode on Taro. Then as for the other one, well, I never really thought about it. Compared to the TEKKEN, it was the Inazuma, the best. And the TEKKEN was the best. So I opted for this.
Oh, so you are trying to compare, what is it, the TEKKEN, you are trying to compare this bike with the
Beth?
and okay.
This won the Magic.
Would you mind telling us the advantages of riding over the driving?
Well, for one, you never have to worry about traffic. It is very affordable, especially with now the fuel prices hiking. Kilometer again, for us on the bike, it's a negligible difference. It makes all the difference. Yeah. I advise everyone join us. It's a very good family. Join the bikers and get your own TEKKEN.
And have you heard about the liquid or the reducing balance method?
I have, and it's a very good option if you want to pay slowly. In my case, I opted to pay once. Since, well, I just thought might as well finish the payment and just look at whatever. Yeah, but it's a very good option. Opting.
And how will you be using the TEKKEN?
Also running my own errands. Going even to off country.
So where are you going today?
Today I'm just going home, holiday. Maybe plant a tree or two.
Are you sure?
That's right.
Okay. So how many times have you visited our office? Is it the first day?
No, this is the third time. I came the first time when I was surveying the bike itself. When I fell in love with the bike, okay, and Kadisha came, paid the deposit, and today came and cleared it.
Now, would you mind telling us about our customer service experience?
I have no complaints about it. I give the staff a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, definitely. They have very good service. How they treat their customers, so much respect, and you feel welcome when you come. I'm definitely coming back again.
Nice. Maybe you can start your bike, and we really appreciate you doing business with us. Until next time, Gladys was your host. Maybe you can start your bike.
Okay.
You're a beginner and I'm here. Should I be confident?
I don't know.
Oh.